If you ever wanted to trade Forex, crypto, futures, or even stocks, you need to know how to read a chart. But if you have ever looked at a professional trading screen, it would be like a matrix, just a mess of numbers, lines, and flashing colors. What if I told you there is a platform that is so simple, beautiful, intuitive, and millions of beginner traders and Wall Street pro traders use it every single day? Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to TradingView. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what TradingView is, why you absolutely need to be using it, and I will give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your first chart even if you have zero experience. Make sure you stick around until the end because I will be sharing you a secret feature that will save you hours of research. Now let's dive in. Before that, if you like the way I explain these things, please give a like to this video. First things first, what exactly is TradingView? In simple terms, TradingView is a cloud-based charting platform and a social network for investors and traders. Think of it as the Google Maps for financial markets. Just like Google Maps help you to navigate the roads, TradingView help you to navigate the price movement almost in any asset in the world. Whether you want to look at Apple stock, Bitcoin, gold, euro, or even the Nasdaq futures, TradingView has a chart for all of it. But it's not a broker. You don't have to deposit money into the TradingView to buy or sell. It's primarily a research tool. This is where you do the homework before you actually place your trade on your brokerage app. So why does everyone from crypto teenagers to hedge fund managers use this specific platform? There are four main reasons. Number one, it's fully cloud-based. You don't need to download heavy softwares. You can open it on your web browser, and if you draw a line on your computer, it instantly syncs to the TradingView app on your phone. Number two, the free version is incredibly powerful. While they have paid plans, the basic free account gives you exactly what you need to get started. Number three, the tools. TradingView has hundreds of built-in indicators and drawing tools plus over 100,000 custom indicators built by the community. And finally, number four, the community. It's a social network. You can follow other profitable traders, see their charts, read their analysis, and learn from them in real time. Alright, enough talking. Let's get our hands dirty. Open up tradingview.com, create a free account, and follow along with me. When you open the chart, it can look a bit overwhelming. Let's break the screen down into four simple zones so it is easy to understand. The center. This is your canvas. This is where the price action happens. The top bar. This is your control center for the specific chart. It's where you change the asset, the time frame, and add indicators. The left toolbar. This is your pencil case. It holds all your drawing tools like the trend line and the text boxes and everything. The right panel. This is your social administrative zone. Watch list, alerts, and the economic calendars live out here. Searching for an asset. Let's say we want to look at Tesla. Go to the top left corner and click the symbol search box. Type in TSLA. You will see a list of drop down. Make sure you select the one that says stock and it's on the Nasdaq exchange. Click it. Boom! You are now looking at the Tesla's price history. Understanding the time frames. Look right to the symbol. You will see a letter or a number like a D for daily or 1H for 1 hour. This is your time frame. If it's set to D, it means every single candlestick on this chart represents one full day of trading. If we change it to 1H, the chart zooms in and now every candle represents 1 hour. Now let's see how to use the drawing tools. Let's do some basic drawing. Go to the pencil case on the left. Click the trend line tool. Let's connect some of these price bottoms to see the direction of the trend the Tesla is moving. Click once to start the line, drag your mouse and click again to place it. Want to draw a support level? Grab the horizontal tool. Find a floor where the price keeps bouncing and click to drop a line there. It's as easy as using Microsoft Paint. Now for the magic, the indicators. These are mathematical formulas that can help you predict where the price might go next. Click the indicators button at the top. Let's add a very popular one. Type RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, and click it. you will see a new box pop up at the bottom of your screen. Without getting too technical, when the purple line is way down at the bottom, the stock might be oversold and due for a bounce. When it is at the top, it might be overbought and it is due for a drop. Now let's see how we can create a watch list. You don't want to search your favorite stocks manually every time. Look at the top right of your screen and click watch list icon. Here you can hit the plus button and add all assets you care about. Let's add Bitcoin, Apple, gold. Now you can just click through them rapidly to check the charts every morning. Now let's talk about the secret feature which I promised. The name of the feature is paper trading. If you look at the bottom panel of TradingView, you will see a tab called Trading Panel. If you connect the paper trading account, TradingView will give you $100,000 in fake money or virtual money. You can use all the tools which we learned to buy and sell stocks with fake money in real time. This is absolutely the best way to practice your strategies without risking a single dime of your hard-earned cash. TradingView has a lot more advanced features, but what we covered today is exactly what you need to get 90% of your work done. The best way to learn is to just open a chart and start playing around. If this video helped you understand something, click on the like button below. This is the second video of our Basics to Advanced Trading series. On our first video, we have discussed what is futures trading and why do people trade futures, what is ES, what is NQ, what is long and what is shorts and everything. See you guys in another video. Goodbye.